Today we are going to see Rhine Falls, which is about 47 kilometers from Zurich. The Rhine Falls is the largest waterfall in Europe and is located in the Rhine River near the town of Schaffhausen in the north of Switzerland. It is one of Switzerland's most famous natural wonders. It attracts tourists from all over the world all year round. This visit is going to be an unforgettable and memorable visit. After parking the car, I walked through the entrance of Schloss Castle, which was built in the 9th century. This castle is located on the southern bank of the Rhine Falls. The other castle in Rhine Falls is a Schloss which was built in the 12th century. Both castles now operate as restaurants. The terraces of both restaurants give you a perfect view of the waterfall. The Historama, which provides a historical information about the Rhine Falls, is located right in Schloss. From the castle, I took a glass elevator to go down and then walk through the Belvedere path to watch the waterfall from Canzale platform. On the north bank, you have a good overview of the Rhine Falls. Access to the shore is free of charge here. The boat trip starts here, and you can also see other attractions such as the Milestones and the Adventure Park at the Rhine Falls. Rhine Falls is a superb place for those who appreciate natural wonders and enjoy scenic views. As Europe's largest waterfall, the Rhine Falls offer a powerful and impressive spectacle. Its width and the volume of water cascading over the rocks create a mesmerizing sight. The Rhine Falls is breathtakingly beautiful. It is the largest plain waterfall in Europe. On the southern side, we have got a platform where you can walk onto and just over the water flowing underneath. The Rhine Falls can be viewed from both sides of the shore, from the ship and from the Rhine Bridge. You will be blown away by the sheer power of the water flow. The average flow rate in summer is about 600,000 liters of water per second. The Rhine Falls extend over a width of 150 meters and reaches a height of about 23 meters. This makes a spectacular sight. In the middle of the Rhine Falls, there is a large rock called the Mittelfelsen, or Big Middle Rock. This rock divides the waterfall into two halves and gives it a unique shape. I am standing in front of, behind me is the Rhine Falls. This is a waterfall which is about 1.5 million years ago, and there are so many tourists here, and we have come to watch this. The Rhine Falls have a rich history and are immortalized in many legends. One of the most famous stories says that the monk Felix Mons tried to fly over the waterfall here in the 16th century. In the process, he tragically drowned. After completing my tour of the Rhine Falls, I went to an eatery place just outside Schlosslaufen Castle. This eatery called Heinz Maroni is owned by one Mr. Anwar, selling delicious fried chestnuts. From this eatery, I could see pretty little evangelical church, which is next to Schlosslaufen Castle. I could also hear the church bells ringing. Next to Anwar's eatery, there is also a crepes store. A crepe is a type of very thin pancake and often served with a variety of sweet or savory fillings. I went to the parking lot. My friends were waiting for me there, and then our friend Hamdi drove us back to Zurich. This was indeed an unforgettable and spectacular visit, which will remain fresh forever in my mind. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please subscribe to my YouTube channel Around the Globe by SATHYAN ACHATH. In the next episode, we shall go to the old town of Zurich. This place is a cobblestone lane for pedestrians lined with old-fashioned buildings with a lot of sidewalk cafes. Major historic sites in old town of Zurich are the Great Cathedral with a monumental Romanesque interior, stained glass, big statue of Roman Emperor Charlemagne dating back to 1106. This cathedral is a symbol of Zurich. You will see a stunning view of the other side of the river. You will see a lot of side street cafes, coffee shops, bars, sandwich places, and high quality restaurants.